I guess there are a couple of things that I really feel pressed to share with people. One is this COVID mess is something that's exhausting all of us. I mean, not just those of us who are working to see patients, but also people out in the community. I mean, it's exhausting, it's maddening. People don't know what to believe, they don't know who to listen to. We're tired of the masks, we're tired of the isolation, we're tired of the insecurity, we're tired of everything. So I really want to give you some hope. And I think that, what we're discovering is we're learning more and more as this whole process unfolds. What we're realizing is, yes, it is a real disease. Yes, it does kill people. With this new Omicron variant, it tends to be rather mild. So my hope is that this will actually help us provide natural immunity and herd immunity, and hopefully just help the pandemic die out in a very short order, as we're seeing in other parts of the world. So, I just tell people to stay safe, do what you need to do. I don't think it's a good idea to mandate anything. But if you have certain diseases like lung diseases, diabetes, obesity, heart disease, etc., I'd advise that you get the vaccine. But I would just say stay safe. Keep your hands off your face, avoid people who are ill. And then the other thing I'd say is, the emergency room is being overrun. And it's not just here, it's all over the country. I mean, we see large wait times, waiting rooms are full. And if you've been to our ER, you've seen that and experienced it more than likely. And it's not that, there are any type of inefficiencies. The problem is that we have so many people that are coming in very, very ill and very sick. And of course, they take precedence. We want to get to everybody that we possibly can. But if you're not really ill, if it's not an emergency or even an urgency, my request would be that you call your physician, that you go see an urgent care provider. And I know everybody's overwhelmed right now and full, but we all need to work together to try to get through this difficult time that we're all facing.